This new product is a short curved track customized for the customer. It's a quarter circle. You can spell 2 into a semicircle. It can also be spelled into the shape of an S. Next are the 2 accessories in the middle of the track. This accessory is our power box. This accessory is used to connect to tracks. The track interface requires 2 wires to connect with 2 wires. The 2 wires of the connector should also correspond before they can be connected correctly. But if you reverse the orbit and the other way around, you have 2 lines on one side and 1 line on the other. It is wrong that the connection cannot be made. This power box is used to get power, but it is left and right. Here are the 2 lines and here is the first line. But if the power box is inserted into this side, it will not match. H-shaped track. This side has 2 wires and 1 on this side. It is wrong to insert the power box like this. During the installation process, the 2 wires of the track correspond to the 2 wires of the power box before insertion. So whether you want a semicircle or an S shape, please draw a picture and contact us. We will customize it for you.